This is Detton from Plasma Technics. We have reinstalled the power supply and we will show you the process of putting the unit back together. Our first step is going to be reconnecting the power supply wires to the power supply. Next, we'll reattach the ground wires for the transformers. Next, we'll attach the high voltage wires to the high voltage terminals, making sure that the high voltage wire doesn't touch the case or any electronics. Next, we'll reattach the cell temperature sensor and reassert the two output wires into the output connector on the circuit board. Next, we'll reinsert the circuit board cover and use the 964 Allen head screws to reattach to the body of the unit.
102.
Next, we'll reinsert the two Phillips screws that hold the fan in place. This completes the reassembly of a power supply change on a 150 gram.